Hey there, this is Manny, the founder of Blue, and today we're going to be covering the currency conversion custom field. So I have a simplistic project for shipping orders. So there are some received orders, some are preparing, and then there's a final list for shipped. Within each order, I have a few different dates, and then I have an amount. As you can see, there are different currencies. So we have euro, yen, and US dollar. Now, if my business primarily deals in US dollars, it would be great to have an additional field that regardless if I have euro, yen, or US dollars, it shows me the US dollar amount. And this is precisely what the currency conversion custom field does. So let's add that. Converted amount. And we select the currency conversion custom field. Then we point this towards an existing currency field. So we'll choose our amount and then we can click add. Now we've got a few different settings. So we can choose the date of conversion, and there are three options. First of all, it can be the date of entry of when a user typed in the amount. It can be a specific set date for the entire project. So we can then choose here a specific date, or you can select a specific field, which can be the due date or any of the other date fields that you have in your project. So for instance, we could choose invoice date. So I'll choose date of entry for this example, and then we can add a new option and we can choose which currencies to convert to which currency. So in this case, we'll just do a simple one. We'll say from any currency, convert to the US dollar. And that's been added, and then we will update our field. And so now you can see that we have the converted amount of 1,000 euros into 1,082.5 US dollars. We use the rates from the European Central Bank, so these are accurate and in real time. Thank you very much, and I hope you find this useful.